Hey, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to transform your life with the power of a plant-based diet? Today, we're exploring how this lifestyle change can completely revamp your health. Buckle up for a journey towards a healthier, happier you. Let's kick things off with an eye-opening fact. Did you know that adopting a plant-based diet can drastically reduce your risk of chronic diseases? From heart disease to diabetes, the benefits of plant-based eating are truly remarkable. So, what exactly is a plant-based diet? It's all about centering your meals around fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. This means minimizing or cutting out animal products entirely. Not only does this benefit your health, but it also positively impacts the environment. Many of us face health challenges like heart disease, obesity, and high cholesterol. But fear not. A plant-based diet is here to help. By embracing this lifestyle, you can tackle these issues head-on and pave the way for a healthier future. Let's dive into why a plant-based diet is so powerful. Not only does it aid in weight loss, but it also improves digestion, boosts energy levels, and reduces inflammation. Imagine giving your body a well-deserved reset, allowing you to thrive from the inside out. Making the switch to a plant-based diet can be a game-changer for your health and overall well-being. So, why not give it a try and experience the incredible benefits for yourself? Your body will thank you later. But wait, there's more. Interested in diving deeper into the benefits of a plant-based diet and how to get started? Check out the link in the description for our top recommended book on plant-based living. It's packed with delicious recipes, tips, and more to help you on your journey. Before we wrap up, remember to share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey towards better health. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more inspiring content on plant-based living. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.